Okay, this is Triad 1513 Voicings, video 2, and just going to talk about exploring some different triadic spellings, how you'd put them on the keyboard to help you when it comes to songs. So let's say, for instance, that we had an A major triad. You would have to know the A major scale. You'd have to take 1, 3, and 5 of that A major scale, and that would give you the harmony for an A major triad, which would be A, C sharp, E. You can see my fingers there. A, C sharp, E. That is the spelling of an A major triad. Now I can take that spelling and I can voice it in all kinds of different ways on the piano. The particular strategy that we're discussing for voicing in this video series is using a 1-5-1-3 approach. So spreading it out across two hands, using the 1, 5, 1, and 3, using the 1, 3, and 5 of the triad and arranging them in a 1-5-1-3 pattern. So what does that mean? Well, A is 1, okay? C sharp is 3 of the scale, and E is 5 of the scale. Okay, 1, 3, 5. So I'm going to arrange that in a 1-5-1-3 pattern. So I'm going to move this down an octave to make room. 1, and the 5 was E, and then 1 again, A, and then 3, C sharp. Okay, now let's say this chord was an A minor chord. Well, then I know that an A minor chord, an A minor triad, has a flat 3. Here's the 3, because I know that I have 1, 5, 1, 3. So if this is the 3, I've got to lower that to make an A minor. Okay, let's try it with a D major. So if I'm trying to find a 1-5-1-3 voicing for a D major, I need to know my key signature for D, or my major scale, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. So if I take 1, skip 2, 3, skip 4, and 5, 1, 3, and 5 of my D major scale, that gives me a D major chord. D major triad, in this case, 1, 3, and 5. So that is the spelling, D, F sharp, A, of a D major triad. A voicing that I could use for that, in this case, I want to use a 1-5-1-3, just because that's what this video is about. There are all kinds of different ways to voice these things. So, 1, 5, 1, 3. Because D is 1, F sharp is 3 of the scale, and A is 5 of the scale. So I can spread that out across my two hands. I have 1 and 5 in the left hand, 1 and 3 in the right hand. And there is my D major triad. If I were trying to make a D minor triad, then I'd have to flat the 3. 1, 5, 1, 3, and then I'll flat that 1/2 step. There's my D minor triad.